Hey guys, today we will talk about how to remove Add to Cart button in your Shopify store. This process is really simple and easy. For removing this button, we will use a code, and here you can see I already write this code, and no need to worry because I will add this code in my description. So there you can find easily. And the only thing is, you have to copy this code and you have to paste it. So let's start the process. Let me minimize it. And as you can see, I am on the homepage of my Shopify store. And once you are there, take a look on the left side. You will see a lot of different options like home orders and products. From here, you have to tap on the option Online Store. Once you will click on it. Below, you will see 3 options: Themes, Pages, and Preferences. From here, make sure the selected option is a theme. Once you will select your theme, here you will see your all themes. And also this code will work on all type of team, whether you have a single one or more. If you want to remove the button, then you have to look for the team on which you want to remove. Tap on these 3 dots, and below you will see multiple options. From these, you have the Select, Option, Edit code. Once you will click on the option Edit, you will move to the section where you can edit all the codes of your Shopify store. And from here, if you take a look on the left side, you will see multiple options like layout, templates, and much more. But you can also see a search bar, so we will get help of this. Click on it. And here you have the write base.css. Once I will write here, you can see the base.css and also it's open, but if it is not, then click on it, and then it will be open, and here you will see all the written code. The last thing is scroll down to the last. Once you will be on the last, click on the last line and make sure you select the last line, and in your last line, you have to paste this code, so let me copy it. Once it will be copy, minimize it and paste this code here. You can also read it, display none. So once you will paste this code, tap on the save icon, which is on the right top. Once you will click on this option, this will be saved, and Add to Cart button will be removed. Now how can you check it? The only thing is move back to your store. Go to that page where you see the Add to Cart button, and once you see, just refresh the page. Once you will refresh, the Add to Cart button will be removed. And as I said before, I will paste this code in the description bar, so you have to paste it there, and make sure you need to paste this on the last. So once you will paste, the Add to Cart button will be removed. And it was the basic way by which you can remove Add to Cart button from your Shopify store. And that's it.